Well, Khushi, in this video, we are going to learn about a very important topic. This video is relevant for anyone who is learning French. The screen which you can see is from the HSC 11 standard textbook, lesson number 4. Okay, so today's topic, as you can see, it is how to make a sentence negative in French. We've learned how to form a sentence, how it should be conjugated in a positive form. Okay, for RE ending verbs, ER ending verbs. But now, how to make it negative? So, to make a sentence negative in French, we simply add ne. Ne is pronounced as ne before the verb, and pas is pronounced as pa, not pass. Pa after the verb. Before the verb, ne, then the verb, then after the verb, pa. Ne and pa. Okay? Ne. Now, this is a very important point. Okay? Ne changes to an apostrophe before a verb beginning with a vowel or h mute. Two vowels should not clash. So, if the next verb, the verb begins with a vowel, then ne, e from the n will clash with the vowel. So, at that time, ne becomes an apostrophe. Okay? For example, arrive. Arrive is a regular ER ending verbs. Let us quickly revise. How do we conjugate ER ending verbs? It is E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. E, ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. These are the endings of ER ending verbs. So conjugation is clear. Now, how to make it negative? The verb is arrive. For je, it is arrive. E. Okay. Before arrive, we'll add ne. After arrive, we will add pa. Since arrive begins with a vowel, n will become an apostrophe everywhere before arrive. Okay, ne will become an apostrophe. Let's read. Je n'arrive pas. It is read together as well. Okay, we'll read it as one word for pronunciation purpose. Je n'arrive pas. Tu n'arrives pas. Elle, on n'arrive pas. Nous n'arrivons pas. Vous n'arrivez pas. Elle n'arrive pas. Je, tu, elle, and plural elle. It is pronounced similarly. Okay? Je n'arrive pas. Tu n'arrives pas. Elle, on n'arrive pas. Nous n'arrivons pas. Vous n'arrivez pas. Elle, n'arrive pas. Okay? Now, let us take a few examples which are given below. Example, je suis professeur. Okay, je suis professeur. I am a teacher. So, here the verb is what? Suis. Être. Okay, from the verb être. The verb is suis. So, before suis, we'll add ne. After suis, we'll add pas. Je ne suis pas professeur. I am not teacher. Next example. Il a 17 ans. He is 17 years old. Il a 17 ans. The verb here is a, from avoir. So before a, we'll add ne. After a, we'll add pa. Since a begins with a vowel, we'll write an apostrophe. Okay. Elle voyage en Australie. Okay. She travels to Australia. So verb here is voyage, means to travel. ER ending verb it is. Okay. So, elle ne voyage pas en Australie. Clear? Next example. Madame Lefebvre est directrice. Mrs. Lefebvre is a director. Okay. It would be here the verb is what? est. From the verb être. So before est we'll add ne. After est we'll add pa. Since est begins with a vowel, we'll do what? We'll make n apostrophe, then est, then pa. I hope you are clear with this. Now moving on. Note, in a negative sentence, very, very, very important. This will either make your marks or break your marks. In a negative sentence, indefinite articles change to de. Be very clear. In a negative sentence, if there are indefinite articles, which are the indefinite articles? A, yun, they will change to de. Okay. In a positive sentence, if there was a yun, they, then while making it negative, that a yun, they will be replaced by de. Okay. Example. J'ai yun sir. I have a sister. J'ai yun sir. Here yun is indefinite article in the positive sentence. So while making this sentence negative, we'll do what? Je n'ai pas. The verb is a. So before a we'll add n. After a we'll add pa. Since a begins with a vowel, we'll add an apostrophe. Je n'ai pas. Yun is replaced by the. Same place. Je n'ai pas de sir. Next example. Ils font des fruits. He sells fruits. They is indefinite. And the verb in the sentence is vend, means to sell. So, ils ne font pas. Des is replaced by the. Even if it is plural, it is the only. De. De is pronounced as the. Ils ne font pas de fruits. Note. Again an exception. Exceptions, you have to be very careful. Note, this rule does not apply when the sentence contains the verb être. This rule applies to all the other verbs. When the affirmative sentence contains any other verb, at that time, indefinite articles in the negative form will change to de. But if the sentence consists of the verb être, at that time, it won't change. It will be the same. Example. C'est un livre français. C'est un livre français. This is a French book. So, ce n'est pas un livre français. Okay. Ce n'est pas. The verb here is est, which is from the verb être. So we'll add ne and pa as usual, and since it begins with a vowel, we'll make it apostrophe. But the will remain same in the negative sentence also, since this sentence contains the verb être. So the final answer becomes ce n'est pas un livre français. Okay? This is a very important topic. Here there are questions given as well for you to solve. I am showing this on the screen. You can take a screenshot, and if you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.